Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding numbers above 10. This video continues to look at addition and highlights some ways of adding numbers above 10. Let us look at the following examples. 10 plus 10. Using base 10 materials we have one long plus another long. 10 plus 10, 10, 20. And the answer is 20. 12 plus 13 plus 14, that signifies 12, that signifies 13, and that stands for 14. If we put the three longs together, here they are, and if we put all those small ones together, we get that grouping there. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 13 plus 10 plus 12 plus 11. There's your 13, 10, 12, 11. Put the longs together, there are four of them, and the small ones, we have that grouping there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 42, 44, 46. Adding without base 10 materials. 14 plus 13 plus 10. Now we know from previous videos that 14, we'll do it this way. That 14 represents 10 plus 4. That 13 represents 10 plus 3. And there's your 10. Put all the 10s together, and then you'll have 4 plus 3. There's the 4 there, and there's the 3. 10, 20, 30, so there's your 30, and 4 plus 3 is 7. 30 plus 7 is 37. 23 plus 25. 23 is 20 plus 3, 25 is 20 plus 5. Put the two 20s together, there they are, and there's your 3 and 5 right there. 20 plus 20 is 40, 3 plus 5 is 8, 40 plus 8 is 48. Answer the following using any method. Pause the video if you wish. The answers are on the next slide. So you can pause the video now if you like to give yourself time to answer these 10 questions. I'll move on to the next slide now, which will show you all the answers, and then you can check how you went. So here are the answers. So you can pause either of those two slides for as long as you want to check out your answers. So I hope you enjoyed that video, which talked about adding numbers which are above 10.